Staying active is important for all of us to live a healthy life, especially our children. And as they've been cooped up at home this past year, parents are looking for effective ways to motivate their kids to move. So today, we're hitting the gym to discover how even a little bit of playful exercise can benefit the youngest members of our family. He's finding fun ways to get kids excited about exercise. Joining us from Redefined Fitness is Eric Hemphill. Now, Eric, we know generally speaking, kids can be pretty rambunctious and active, but is there a difference between tearing it up in the living room versus a proper exercise routine?
Around the house, obviously, they're playing, they're having a good time, but it's a little bit more structured. Here, it's about functionality for everyday life, and we're also teaching them proper form, proper biomechanics. We're also educating them on just what it is to exercise and why it's important to exercise.
So let's talk about the physical benefits for kids of keeping up a regular exercise routine.
You're going to build a stronger core. You also, when you work on balance and we work on coordination here, we're also training their nervous system. There's a lot of great things that takes place from a hormonal standpoint where you get endorphins. When you exercise, you get dopamine. Exercise brings mental focus. It's great for you from the mental standpoint, but also a physical standpoint as well.
So what type of movement do you recommend for kids?
It's really about, we talk about the functional movement, three-dimensional movement, making them move in multiple planes of motion, all directions.
And the idea that fitness is fun is a big part in getting kids motivated to move. Explain that.
You want to be excited with kids, you want to bring energy to the kids, but at the end of the day, it's got to be fun. And so that's why we always have to change it up, do different things, do things that challenge them.
All right, Eric, you've got a few fun exercises that kids can do just about anywhere. So can we get your volunteer kids out here and get started?
Hey, I've been waiting for this moment. All right, so today, what we're gonna have the kids do is we're gonna have them do an obstacle course. We're working on a little bit of agility. We're working on mobility. We're throwing in some plyometrics, which means jumps. And then we're working on a little bit of cardio. With the obstacle course, they're gonna go forward, they're gonna shuffle right to left through the obstacle course. Then they're gonna go under a hurdle. They're going to jump on top of a box, and then they're gonna do hops over small hurdles, and they're gonna sprint back to the beginning and repeat it. Every obstacle course we do is a little different, and that's what makes it fun because it's never the same.
Eric, those kids look like they're having so much fun. I love it. So fitness is fun no matter what your age. So as we're considering an exercise routine for our kids, what is the one thing you want everyone to remember?
You want to constantly move for the rest of your life, but I also want you to remember you want to keep it fun. That is the key. If it's fun, you're going to always do it.
Eric, thank you so much. Okay, now it's your turn. Show us your kids in motion. Take a picture and tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. So you like that, and now you want more information about living a healthy life. Well, we've got you covered. Just check out the other videos on our channel.